Hello and welcome to Falcon HVAC's YouTube channel. Today we will be going over heat pump defrost mode. When first entering defrost mode, you will notice a whoosh noise, the outdoor fan stops spinning, and a growling noise. This will last through the entire completion of the defrost mode. You will also notice there are frost bands on the outdoor coil. These are normal and will dissipate during the defrost cycle. Once defrost mode is complete, you will again hear a whoosh noise and the outdoor fan will begin to spin. At that time, depending on outdoor temperature, you may notice a mist cloud being blown from the top of the unit. This again is normal.